welcome back to the kitchen, and today we've got a special treat for you. Our video today is sponsored by the good people at Sunbasket, who sent me a few recipes to try from their collection, and we're going to talk about Sunbasket. I'm going to make some meals that they sent us. I can't wait to show you what's in the box. If you're not familiar with Sunbasket, it is a sustainable and mostly organic meal service. You guys know all about meal services. You go to their website, you can choose from a selection of main courses, whole meals, and then they send them to you and you get to cook them. It takes the grocery shopping aspect out of things. This is for not every person that may be enjoying my channel, but it is for some of you. This is also a great option if you want to give a gift to someone who's just had a baby. This is a great option if you want to give a gift to someone who is recovering from surgery and they have family who can help them prepare these meals. They're super healthy and ultra delicious. So this comes in all sustainable packaging. It's recyclable, and as you can see, the insulation is made out of brown paper and shredded cotton. I'll show you because I think my cotton actually ripped open on one of these. Well, anyway, I'll show you. I picked a plan for 4 people, and you get your choice of 2 meals. And you also get a snack, 2 snacks, or a salad, or you can double up on your salad. So that's what I did. I got 2 meal selections and I got a double salad selection. So your boxes are going to come with these ice packs in them, which I think are somewhat brilliant. They are made with 98% water and 2% non-GMO cotton. Now I know it may not matter to some of you if the cotton is GMO or not, but if you want to do some research on that, you can compost the contents of this ice pack, which I think is fabulous. And if you are putting it in your compost, I would prefer that it be GMO, non-GMO, because it's not going to have the chemicals in it that I'm going to put back into my garden. You can cut this open after it thaws out and just deposit it in your compost bin. If you don't have a compost bin, you can wait for it to thaw out, and you can deposit it in your flower bed in the front of your house, or if you have flower boxes, you can do that, and it'll just become part of the soil. So this is kind of brilliant, I think. And we'll just toss it in the sink. This box has the contents for the organic rainbow Asian salad, and I'm gonna just pull these out of the box, and then we're gonna go over them in a minute. So there's the ingredients for that. So, and then 2 big containers of organic super greens. So this is the green part of your salad. And I thought this would be great because even though this salad didn't come with a protein attached to it, I can grill my own chicken breasts and throw it on there, and that's another full dinner for my family. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay all this out and we'll have a look at it. Okay, here's everything that came in my box. Like I said, we're a family of 4, so 2 bags per, but unfortunately the company forgot to send me the second portion on the chicken sliders, so that is not a big deal. I will just go ahead, and Rick and I will have that for lunch one day, and that each bag serves 2 people, and if you get 2 bags it serves 4. This is for the seared steaks with the romesco, this is for the chicken sliders, and this is for the rainbow Asian salad, and it gives you all of the ingredients. So there's plenty of salad here for the 4 of us for sure, and there's more ingredients in this bag, double of what you see here on the counter. But all of your ingredients are here. It takes the guesswork out of it. It gives you an opportunity to try new dishes that maybe you hadn't considered trying before. And I really enjoy what they had to offer. When they reached out to me and asked me if I would want to try what they are doing, I was really open to that idea, and I always enjoy sharing new things with you guys. So I know that this isn't going to be for everyone who watches me. That's a given. You're not going to make everybody happy all of the time. But I would like to thank Sunbasket for sending this to us. We are going to cook everything up. We're not going to cook it up on camera, but we are going to cook each particular selection and we're going to share the results with you, and we're going to give it a taste. And then we're going to be able to share that with you as well. But I did want to give you a little bit of information on Sunbasket. They offer paleo, lean and clean, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, Mediterranean, and family options. They do also have diabetic friendly options, and most of what they offer is really great. As you can see, there's a lot of keto friendly, a lot of low carb goodness here, and you're not going to walk away hungry as far as I can tell. If you order from the weekly menu and then you tell them what you want each time you order, you don't have to order every week. You can stop whenever you want. It comes, they'll ship it on a Wednesday, it'll come to you on a Thursday in my particular case. I knew that they were shipping out on a Wednesday. I got it today, and today is a Thursday. All of their ingredients are pre-measured. It puts less hassle into your life, and you get to enjoy seasonal ingredients at their peak of flavor. And like I said, you get to discover new things and new flavors that maybe you hadn't considered trying before. They select the best organic produce and antibiotic and hormone-free meats. They use seafood that's recommended as best choice or good alternative by the Monterey Bay Aquarium Seafood Watch program. That means they're using sustainable seafood that's not being harmed while it's being fished. And like I said, they have several meal options. They have a chef's option that you can choose, and they'll just send you what the chef selects for that week, or you can pick and choose what you like according to your own taste.
If you like surprises.
Right, if you like surprises, then who knows, you might get something you've never tried before and you'll love it. And if you would like to try Sunbasket for yourself, then I will leave a link that you can use down below in the information box. Right at the top, you're going to go get sunbasket.com/Noreen Lambert. You're going to get $50 off, and that's going to be $35 off your first order and $15 off your second, making your per serving go from $11.99 to $6.16. And then there is a $6.99 shipping charge. Now when you get your box, you're also going to get this little insert. It's like a little magazine, and it has all of the recipes in it that were offered the week that you ordered. And it gives you all types of tips and tricks. It gives you wine pairing suggestions, and it tells you exactly how to make each meal that you selected. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook each one of these selections, and we're going to bring you back each time we do that, and we're going to show you what it looks like, and we're going to taste it, and we're going to tell you what we think. So, on to the cooking. All right, we have gone ahead and prepared everything for our seared steaks with lemon, almond relish, baby broccoli, and romesco. Now, this is going to give you step-by-step instructions. They're very simple, they're very concise, and indeed the only things I had to add were salt, pepper, and olive oil. Less than a half an hour, really, to cook this, and it was perfect. There is our seared steaks with lemon, almond relish, baby broccoli, and romesco, all plated up and ready to enjoy. We're having this for lunch in our house today. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And do you want to taste it?
If I have to.
Yeah, I think you might. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. I'm gonna give Rick a taste. Little bit of everything. All I added to any of the vegetables and the lemons was salt and pepper. I want some of this sauce and some of this deliciousness here, and we'll give you a little bite. You tell me what you think.
Wow.
Good?
That is really good. I mean, it is a nice compliment to the steak.
Oh, wow. Don't wrinkle your nose at this, what they're calling a relish. It's amazing. The steak has really good flavor. That is our seared steaks selection from our Sunbasket. We're going to move on and do something else, and until we finish up all three of the selections that we made, and then we will be back in just a moment with the next one. Okay, we're moving on to the rainbow Asian salad, and this was super easy to toss together. All of the components were provided. You had very little preparation. You have to chop up the green onion, and that's pretty much it. Now, you may think mine looks a little different from the card, which is absolutely beautiful. The instructions are very clear, and here's the instructions on the back. Came with tamarind dressing, which was a little bit sour for my taste, so what I went ahead and did is I mixed it together with a little bit of agave, and then I just threw it on the greens and I mixed it together. And then what you are seeing in there, yes, I white trashed this salad up, but good. I added a can of mandarin oranges with about half the juice because the dressing that they sent was super thick. And if you like your dressing super thick, that's fabulous. You should just leave it the way it is. But the mandarin orange juice thinned out the dressing just perfectly, so it coated everything nicely. And I gotta tell you, this salad is really good. I have tasted it. Rick has not. I sprinkled about 2 tablespoons of those sesame seeds on. I think altogether they probably sent me about a half a cup. So I'm just gonna put those in a container in my freezer. And I'm just gonna have Rick give this a taste because I think he's gonna be surprised. It's very reminiscent of a Chinese chicken salad, and I think that the addition of some grilled chicken in here would make this a full meal dinner.
That's really good.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
It's got a nice blend of flavors. That is the Sunbasket Organic Rainbow Asian Salad. Organic, all except for the can of mandarin oranges I added personally. But that's the beauty of these recipes. When you get them and the ingredients that come in your box, you can augment them, add to, take away what you don't like, add to what you think will work, and make it your own creation. We're gonna move on to the next recipe. And here are the fried chicken sliders that we've prepared according to the recipe in our booklet. And the instructions were perfectly clear and they were easy to understand. Now, this particular meal did come with a salad that is comprised of snap peas and pear with some lime juice in it. I didn't feel like that was something my family was going to enjoy, so I didn't make that. And again, that's the freedom that you have when you get these box meals, is that if there's something in there you don't enjoy, you can go ahead and either don't make it or make something else out of it. Now, these zucchini pickles, super delicious, super easy to make, but I will say, in my opinion, they did not give me enough of the rice wine vinegar to make a pickle from the entire zucchini that they provided. So I had some rice wine on hand. I just added a little bit more. And because I wanted my pickle to be a sweet and sour pickle, I added a couple of squirts of agave nectar to my brine. These pickles are delicious. And the honey mustard mayonnaise that came along with it is really, really good too. The buns were super soft, and you do have to slice them, but overall, the instructions were beautifully clear, and the fact that these are made with chicken thighs, your chicken is going to be super succulent, moist, and tasty because it's the dark meat, and a lot of people really prefer that anyway. Now, you have a choice, I believe, when you sign up for your box, whether you want white meat or dark meat, and then you can make that choice when you sign up, if you sign up. So, that is my fried chicken slider. Do you want to taste this?
I have to.
Yeah, I think you might. I'm gonna have you taste this one. What do you think?
That is outstanding.
Good. Mike could just taste it too.
It's really good.
So that's really good. It's very good. Now, you do have to shallow fry these in a skillet, and it's gonna take about 20 minutes to get all that done. But boy, is it worth it. So good. If you would like more information about signing up or getting your first Sunbasket, you're going to be able to get $50 off your first 2 orders, and that's a total of $35 off your first order and $15 off your second. You can use the coupon code Noreen Lambert, and if you're interested, you can go ahead and give it a try. No obligation. You don't have to sign up for a subscription. If you just want to give it a try and one-off it, that's completely up to you. The food is really high quality. The recipes are delicious. They're easy to understand. They're very clear and concise, and you are going to have no problem making these, even if you're a novice in the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed learning about Sunbasket today. I hope that you got excited about some of the dishes that I shared, the ones that we chose from their menu, which is very extensive and very easy to prepare. And I hope if it is something that you think will fit into your life, that you will give it a try. Now, I know that the meal boxes are not for everyone, but They might be for you on certain occasions, like if you've gone out of town and you want to have one delivered to your home upon returning home, then you don't have to worry about running out to the grocery store. Maybe you have a friend who's had a baby, or maybe someone who's been in the hospital and the family hasn't, had time to go grocery shopping. It's a lovely gesture to have one of these delivered to the home, and then they have everything that they need to prepare a few meals so that they can kind of assimilate back into normal everyday life and before they get a chance to go shopping. I really feel like this would be a great option as a newlywed gift, to give as a wedding gift. People who've gone off on their honeymoon after they've been married, after they're coming home after a couple of weeks. But in any case, it's definitely a way that you can do something that isn't going to end up on a shelf gathering dust, sold at a yard sale a few years down the road. You're really nourishing people, and you're telling them, I love you, and I want you to enjoy life, and I want you to have good, healthy, delicious food. And here's a way that you can grow closer by cooking together in your kitchen. So just a few ideas from my end. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to thank the people at Sunbasket for sponsoring today's video and for providing the box for our family to enjoy all of these meals. We really did enjoy them. They're all really delicious. Just something for you guys to consider. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was happening, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video, so that you will never miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give Sunbasket a try. If you think it's something that will fit into your life, I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.